Hey guys, E.G. Scary here, unboxing masks we bought on Amazon. So this one is actually in a box, and they actually took care the way they wrapped it. Oh, there's two in here. Alright, so we'll do this other one later. We'll do this one now. And this is from Ghoulish Productions. This is a Scarecrow mask. And Ghoulish Productions are actually made in Mexico. And I feel like their products really aren't that bad. They're actually pretty good quality, and they take pride in what they make. It's got the tag on it. Ghoulish Productions. Made in Mexico. And so the eyes are pretty badass on this. It's sticking a little bit. Alright. So let's give it a test drive. Oh, you know, it's a thicker latex and it has no slit in the back, which is kind of cool because sometimes the slits really mess it up. And from the outside, or from the inside, you can see that there's really tiny slits for the eyes, and here's their maker's mark. So, alright guys, so the mask has very, very poor visibility. The eye hole is here and up here. I love how this looks. I think it looks really cool. And when I think of creepy scarecrows, this is the guy. The only problem is you can't see shiz with it. So it would be great on a prop. But I guess if you're a scarecrow, all you're gonna do is hang on your poach. Sorry, the mask blocked my mouth and I can't talk. You'll hang on your post. This one is normally like 65 bucks. I think I got it for 49. Well guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give us a big thumbs up. E.G. Scary out.